Are you struggling to focus on your studies? Do you find yourself staring blankly at textbooks, unable to retain information? You're not alone! Millions of students worldwide grapple with concentration issues, leading to poor grades and missed opportunities. Imagine the frustration of watching your dreams slip away because you can't concentrate. The sleepless nights, the stress, the disappointment in yourself. Traditional study methods aren't working, and time is running out. Your future is at stake. But what if I told you there's a solution? A method so unconventional, yet so effective, it could transform your academic life overnight? I discovered a secret weapon that skyrocketed my grades and revolutionized my study habits: heavy metal. That's right! By harnessing the power of your favorite intense music, you can unlock laser-like focus and supercharge your learning. It's not about what experts say you should listen to, it's about what excites you. Ready to unleash your full potential and crush your academic goals? Just click the link in the description now to discover how you can turn your favorite noise into your ultimate study tool. Don't wait, your future is calling, and it's time to answer with a vengeance.